What's the meaning of artificial respiration? Artificial respiration. Artificial respiration.
Artificial respiration. Artificial respiration. Artificial respiration is a process of providing oxygen to a person who is not breathing or not breathing adequately. It involves manually forcing air in and out of the person's lungs. This can be done through various methods such as mouth-to-mouth resuscitation, bag valve mask ventilation, or mechanical ventilation using a device such as a ventilator. The goal of artificial respiration is to maintain the person's oxygen supply until they are able to breathe on their own. With proper administration, artificial respiration can help sustain life in emergency situations where breathing has stopped or become compromised.